I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Land Rover Defender 110 versus Jeep Wrangler, which is better. Start by focusing on core needs: daily comfort, off-road ability, and long-term costs. I will walk through ride quality, interior refinement, modification potential, and maintenance expectations so you can decide which suits your lifestyle. Stay tuned for practical pros and cons and a quick ownership checklist to guide your final choice. Let's dig into comfort and technology to see how each model fits daily life. The Defender typically provides quieter cabins, refined seats, and more driver assists that make long trips easier. The Wrangler trades some of that for durable surfaces, straightforward controls, and removable roof, freedom that hikers and overlanders often prefer. Think about how much daily highway miles versus weekend trails determine your priorities when choosing between these two. If this video is helping you decide, please subscribe and like so I can make more comparisons you enjoy. Quick recommendation: socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, a small comfort upgrade for long drives and adventures. Check the description for the link and other deals that support the channel, and now let's get back to the video. Now we'll compare off-road prowess and real-world practicality so you can match terrain to need. The Wrangler shines on technical trails and rock crawling thanks to geometry and aftermarket parts, while the Defender offers advanced traction systems and more composed highway behavior. Consider towing, cargo space, and passenger comfort for family use, and weigh aftermarket support versus factory refinement when planning mods or long trips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.